Look at these different types of books, Year 1. Here is a poetry book. There will be lots of different poems to read and enjoy in this book. Here is an encyclopedia. This book has lots of information in it and helps us to learn lots of new facts. Here is a question and answer book about animals. We might use this book if we want to find out more information about a particular animal. Let's have a look at some more books. Here we have a dictionary. We use dictionaries to find out the meaning and spelling of new words. Do you know what this book is? It is a world atlas. An atlas is a book of maps, and we use it to find out where countries are in the world. What about this book? Do you know what this book might be used for? Yes, you're right. It is a recipe book. Inside this book you will find lots of recipes for Indian meals. And the last book that we have to look at here is this storybook, The Cat in the Hat. We all love to read storybooks. Here is a book that I enjoy looking at. It's one of my favourite books from when I was a little girl. It's called Now We Are Six by A. Milne. A. Milne is a famous author and poet. This means he wrote books and poems. You may be familiar with one of the characters he created, Winnie the Pooh. I'll read you one of my favourite poems from this book. The title of the poem is The End. When I was one, I had just begun. When I was two, I was nearly new. When I was three, I was hardly me. When I was four, I was not much more. When I was five, I was just alive. But now I am six, I'm as clever, so I think I'll be six now forever and ever. I hope you enjoyed listening to that poem, Year 1, because I used to love that when I was a little girl. Over the next few weeks, Year 1, we are going to be learning about these religious books. These books are very, very important for different types of families. Here you can see a picture of the Guru Granth Sahib. This special book is important for Sikh families. Here we have a picture of the Quran. This is a special book for Muslim families. Over here we have the Torah, and this is very special for Jewish families. Up here we have the Bible, and this is a very special book for Christian families. Okay, for your activity today, Year 1, I would like you to choose a book that you enjoy looking at. It can be any type of book. It may be a storybook, an information book, an atlas, whatever you like. Take a photo of the book and tell me why you like it. If you would like to draw a picture of the front cover of the book, that would be great. It's up to you. If you enjoy lots of different types of books, then perhaps you could make a pic collage of all those books. You decide what you'd like to do.